Had if I told you that you could improve your kidney health with a simple morning routine. The kidneys, often overlooked until problems arise, are like your body's built-in filtration system, tirelessly working to keep you healthy. But what if you could support these vital organs without expensive supplements or drastic lifestyle changes? This discussion will unveil a morning ritual comprising 3 key steps to boost kidney function and enhance overall well-being. Our kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining good health. They're responsible for filtering waste products from the blood and regulating fluid balance, essential functions that often go unnoticed until something goes wrong. By taking a proactive approach to kidney health, you can minimize the risk of complications and keep these vital organs functioning optimally. Now, let's begin with 3 simple steps in the morning that will help you recover your kidneys quickly. Kidney diseases can have serious consequences for our health, ranging from kidney stones to chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure. These conditions can lead to symptoms like fatigue, swelling, and changes in urine output, and if left untreated, they can progress to severe complications like cardiovascular disease and kidney failure, necessitating dialysis or transplantation. The causes of kidney disease vary but often stem from lifestyle factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and lack of exercise. Medical conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure also increase the risk, along with environmental factors like exposure to toxins and pollutants. Understanding these hazards and risk factors is crucial for taking proactive steps to protect kidney health. Step 1: Hydration. Start your day with 2 glasses of water. Picture this. You wake up in the morning feeling a bit groggy from a night of rest. What's the first thing you do? Instead of reaching for your phone or stumbling to the coffee maker, imagine reaching for 2 glasses of cool, refreshing water. It's a simple act, but it can make all the difference for your kidneys. While you sleep, your body is hard at work detoxifying itself. Your kidneys are busy filtering waste and toxins from your blood, preparing them to be eliminated from your body, but they need water to do their job effectively. Without enough hydration, your kidneys can't function optimally, leading to a buildup of waste and potential kidney problems down the line. By hydrating first thing in the morning, you're giving your kidneys the boost they need to kickstart their day. You're helping to flush out toxins and waste products, allowing your kidneys to work more efficiently and keep your body healthy. But it's not just about supporting your kidneys. Hydration is essential for your overall health too. It helps maintain electrolyte balance, regulate blood pressure, and keep your body functioning properly. When you're dehydrated, your kidneys have to work harder to filter waste, putting extra strain on these vital organs. So, by starting your day with hydration, you're not just supporting your kidneys, you're supporting your entire body. Step 2: Gentle exercise. Next, dedicate 5 minutes to gentle exercise to awaken the body. Imagine allocating just 5 minutes every morning to engage in light stretching, yoga, or a brief stroll around your neighborhood. It may seem like a minimal time investment, but the impact it can have on your kidney health is profound. When you participate in gentle exercise upon waking, you initiate a cascade of physiological responses that benefit your kidneys. One of the primary advantages is the enhancement of blood circulation throughout your body. As your heart rate increases, blood is pumped more efficiently, delivering a rich supply of oxygen and essential nutrients to your kidneys. This influx of oxygen and nutrients optimizes their function, allowing them to filter waste products and toxins more effectively. It's akin to providing your kidneys with a gentle wake-up call, preparing them for the tasks that lie ahead throughout the day. However, the benefits of morning exercise extend far beyond merely supporting your kidneys. Engaging in physical activity early in the day offers a multitude of advantages for your overall health and well-being. Regular exercise has been shown to reduce stress levels, enhance sleep quality, and elevate mood, all of which are critical components of kidney health. Chronic stress and inadequate sleep can exert a toll on your kidneys over time, increasing the risk of various renal complications. By incorporating just a few minutes of gentle exercise into your morning routine, you're not solely benefiting your kidneys, you're nurturing your entire body, fostering a state of holistic well-being. Furthermore, the positive effects of morning exercise reverberate throughout the remainder of your day, influencing your productivity, mood, and vitality. By kickstarting your morning with a brief bout of physical activity, you set a positive tone for the hours ahead. The endorphins released during exercise uplift your spirits, imbuing you with a sense of energy and vigor that permeates every aspect of your daily activities. Additionally, the increased blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain enhance cognitive function, sharpening your focus and mental clarity. As a result, you approach your tasks with renewed enthusiasm and efficiency, maximizing your productivity and overall satisfaction. Step 3. Breakfast, rich in antioxidants, low in sodium. Finally, prioritize a kidney-friendly breakfast as part of your morning routine. Picture yourself sitting down to a meal brimming with antioxidants and low in sodium, a feast that serves as the ultimate support system for your kidneys, ensuring they remain healthy and vibrant. Antioxidants, abundant in foods such as berries, nuts, and leafy greens, emerge as the unsung heroes of this culinary ensemble. They function as formidable defenders, shielding your kidneys from the perils of oxidative stress and inflammation. Like valiant superheroes, they swoop in to neutralize harmful free radicals, preserving the integrity of your kidneys and fortifying their resilience against external threats. However, the essence of a kidney-friendly breakfast transcends the realm of antioxidants alone. It encompasses a thoughtful selection of foods meticulously chosen to bolster kidney health and optimize function. Consider the inclusion of whole-grain cereals and protein sources like eggs or Greek yogurt, which serve as pillars of sustenance, fostering stability in blood sugar levels and fostering a sense of satiety throughout the morning. By maintaining stable blood sugar levels, you mitigate the risk of energy crashes and cravings, empowering you to navigate your day with vigor and vitality. Furthermore, the conscious avoidance of foods high in sodium and processed ingredients assumes paramount importance in the context of kidney health. Excessive sodium intake exerts undue strain on your kidneys, compelling them to work overtime to regulate fluid balance and blood pressure. By minimizing sodium consumption, you alleviate this burden, reducing the risk of renal complications and preserving the long-term health of your kidneys. By prioritizing a kidney-friendly breakfast, you lay the cornerstone for a day characterized by heightened energy, enhanced focus, and overall well-being. You furnish your kidneys with the essential support they need to thrive, ensuring they can fulfill their pivotal role with unwavering efficiency and efficacy. Moreover, you cultivate a ripple effect of positive momentum that permeates every aspect of your day, infusing each endeavor with renewed vigor and vitality. Incorporating these 3 simple steps into your morning routine not only fortifies your kidney health, but also sets a positive tone for the remainder of your day. By embracing the transformative potential of a kidney-friendly breakfast, you embark on a journey of sustained well-being and vitality, poised to reap the bountiful rewards of optimal health for years to come.